Very dark morning, guys. There's nothing to see. See, this is all the buildings in here, but even the roundabout you can't see properly because it's too dark. This is dyan, guys, yung mga ginagawang mga building. Oh, you cannot see because too dark. Yan yung Sawiya, hindi makita. Pero ito yung malapit sa amin. Pero yung Sawiya 3 doon na gray color, hindi mo makita. Dahil it's dark, guys. Yan yung van, ang laki. Hindi mo gaanong makita, guys, kasi sobrang dark. 7 o'clock na, guys. Pero grabe pa rin. Ayan, oh. Yun yung roundabout. What happened? Ayan, medyo makita na yung building. Ayan. Medyo na, nasisinagan na rin siya, guys. Ayan. Kanina, as is, hindi mo makita yung mga dumadaan yan na car. Grabing dilim, guys. Be careful, guys. To those people are driving. It's very dark. Ayan. Thank you for watching, guys. Be careful. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.